Okay, today take a look at the heavy-duty large garage magnet hooks. Okay. And these are the orange hooks, and they are rubber coated, so you don't have to worry about scratching up anything that you put on here. And we can see on the back that these are the standard hole style, so if you want to, you could just run some screws in here and then attach them permanently to a wall if you want to in the future. I do like that they got everything well packed on here, so you don't have to worry about anything like breaking up or smashing around, scratching anything, so that's nice. And I do really like that they put these spacers in here to make sure that nothing gets actually scratched up. So that's cool. So we can see that the magnet is rubber coated, so we don't have to worry about scratching anything, which is very nice. And it mounts with a threaded stud. To attach that, we've got a nut, a lock washer, and a washer. So I'm going to put this on the top hole, then the washer, and the lock washer, and the nut. There we go. And that is on there nice and stiff. Okay, I've been playing around with these things for a little bit now just to see how strong they are. Just in case you hadn't seen this before, like these things are pretty darn strong. Now I could rip this off if I like really go at it, but you don't need to, and why would you do that anyway? I think more than anything they're just practical. Like they just work great. So here's some fantastic hooks.